It's finally here, GPT Trading Bot version 10. The most powerful trading mini-app ever built for Telegram, designed to be the fastest, smartest, and most comfortable way to trade in 2026. Powered by constantly evolving AI models, GPT Trading analyzes the market in real time, delivering signals with lightning speed and unbelievable accuracy. Getting started takes seconds. Simply choose your asset on pocket option, set the expiration time, and open your trade. That's it. No complicated setup, no hidden payments. And yes, access is still completely free. No fees, no credit cards, no subscriptions. Your GPT status automatically adjusts based on your pocket option balance, nothing else.
MiniApp. 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 MiniApp.
Inside the dashboard, you can customize your own trading environment with powerful widgets like Quick Signal, Market Time, Trading Tips, Social Trading, and much more. Everything you need in one place. So if you're trading on Pocket Option and want the most advanced AI trading assistant available, welcome aboard. This is GPT Trading Bot version 10.
MiniApp. MiniApp.